So welcome back, you guys. Y'all need to help me because somebody did mention I do say you guys a lot, but I don't know what else to call you guys. So please let me know down below because I'm even getting tired of saying you guys. So yeah, just let me know down below. But today I'm going to be talking to you guys about some new products that are coming out in 2018. I am just always on trend mood because she's so good at posting products that are coming out. She's on it for like every second, every minute she's on there. But I do have a couple that I did, screenshot that I really want to get. One of them I do have, so I can go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So if you're excited just like me, please go ahead and keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first one I do have is a new Morphe Brushes eyeshadow palette. It is called the Glam palette. This one just looks like, it's calling my name. It has all the rose gold shadows in there. It has some brown, some pink, some purples. It just looks like the perfect palette. Honestly, all the shadows that Morphe has been bringing out lately look bomb. Like, I really want to get the Dare to Create palette. That one looks really good. And this one looks like a Valentine's Day palette. Like, it's perfect for it because it has all the pinks in there you will ever need. So Morphe Grand Glam, you guys, is $29. I don't think that's a bad price because y'all know how these eyeshadow palettes be nowadays. Literally, they're like 40 something or even $60. So yeah, but this one, you guys, I am so excited about. Alright, so moving on to Nars Radiant Longwear Foundation. Everyone, you guys, everyone has been talking about this foundation. I have been waiting for it to come in stores, but of course the Sephora I live by, they don't always get everything. But the other day I went in there and they actually had the shades. I was low-key shocked. But the one I do wear right now in Nars in general is Macao, which is a good shade for me, but I know come summertime I'm gonna need something a little bit darker. So Marquise is the one I actually want to go ahead and pick up. They don't have in stores, of course. So what I did was get a small sample of Macao. So I'm gonna try that out and see how it wears on my skin. But if you guys want to see a review on my channel, please let me know down below because you guys know I need an excuse to buy something. But yeah, you guys, people who have oily skin, dry skin, normal skin, no matter what type of skin they have, they all love the foundation. So that is a very good sign. Alright, so moving on to the next one. If you guys do know Jasmine Brown on YouTube and Instagram, I love her. I love her personality because she's so funny and out there. It's just like, that's my personality. But she did come out with two lashes. The first one is CurlyQueen, which is like a daytime lash, and she also came out with Jaybee, which is like a nighttime lash. I've been waiting for Ulta, like the stores, to have it because I do know they have it online, but I don't like ordering stuff online. I just want to go in there and pick it up and have it right now. But they look so pretty. They look so girly, flirty. It's just the type of lashes I want to go ahead and pick up. So if I go to my Ulta today, you guys, please pray they have it. Because if they don't have it, I may just have to go ahead and order it online. So y'all, the next one is from Smashbox, and I really don't have a lot of Smashbox stuff. I don't know. Their stuff never really screamed to me. But they came out with this video on Instagram and it had this shimmery eyeshadow. It looks like a glittery eyeshadow. I don't know how to describe it, but it looks so wet, so glittery. I'm just like, huh, I'm here for it. I do know everyone has their little, what's it called? The little glitter thing that they put on the lids or whatever. I don't know. It is $32. I think that is way too much for that. That's why I've never picked up any one of those. But these eyeshadows, I don't know if it's a palette. I don't know what it is. But it is screaming my name because they look so pretty. If you guys haven't seen the video, please go on Smashbox Cosmetics on Instagram. Watch it. Y'all will be mesmerized because it looks so freaking good. But yeah, I may just have to go ahead and pick that one up. So the next one, I honestly need a moment of silence because you already know I love Anastasia, but they are coming out with bronzers. So what happened was I went on Trend Mood and she posted a picture of 6 bronzers that Anastasia may come out with. We don't know what it looks like, but I know Anastasia is very inclusive when it comes to foundation, concealers. I don't care what it is, they're very inclusive and they include every single skin tone out there. So for bronzer, because y'all know we don't have a lot of choices out there, they are gonna kill it. I already know it. I don't even care what it looks like. I already know it's gonna be good because it's Anastasia. Like, they kill everything. So I am ready for it to come out. They haven't announced when it's coming out, what the shades look like. They haven't announced anything, but I'm already hyped and ready to go ahead and buy it. But hopefully, you guys, it is bomb. If it is, I'm gonna go ahead and redo a review. You don't have to worry about that. But I am so ready for it to come out. Alright, so the next one is a drugstore product, which I'm so excited about because I just saw it the other day. But it's from Milani and they're coming out with setting powders, you guys. setting powders. You guys know when it comes to products in drugstore, Milani always kills it with foundation, concealer, lipsticks, lip liner. They're so good with it. But they're gonna have 4 shades. The first one is a light to medium one. The second one is a medium to deep. The third one's a translucent banana shade. And the last one's a radiant shade. So it's going to be an ultra fine translucent powder that seals in makeup and extends wear. I am ready for it. I'm ready to go ahead and pick it up. I am like a powder person lately. I always love to find powders that, you know, sit well with my skin because my skin is very picky, especially my under eye. So when I find a powder that works, I go ahead and tell you guys because, I mean, why would I want to keep it to myself? But let me see on here when it comes out. It says they will update when it's available on ultabeauty.com, so that's exciting. You guys know when it comes to drugstore, it is hard to find a loose powder, especially a good one. The only one I know so far is the Maybelline Fit Me powder and also the Airspun powder. So I am so excited because, you know, Milani is very good with everything they do. So if they deliver and kill it, it's gonna be the best out there. Okay, so last but not least, Tarte is coming out with a Shape Tape foundation. I am so excited because Tarte Shape Tape concealer, every single person loves that concealer. I mean, I don't care who it is, your mom, your auntie, your sister, I don't care, every single person loves it. It's just such a good concealer. So for foundation, I already know it's gonna be really good, full coverage, sit well with the skin. I am just ready for it. They really haven't announced if it's a foundation, but we're all guessing it is, so hopefully it is. I'm praying it is. But if it is, you guys, I'm gonna for sure go ahead and do a review on my channel because the concealer is bomb, so the foundation has to be bomb too. But yeah, I don't know, I'm just excited. I'm just excited for all the products coming out lately. So that's everything I do have on my list. If you guys want me to go ahead and do this video often, please let me know because there's always something new coming out every month. It can be kind of like a series on my channel. Please let me know down below if you want to see that on my page. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one.